Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm going to be giving you a quick tour of a private room here at the Outpost Hostel in El Nido. Now, this is a one queen size bed private room. As you can see here, the bed does come with some outlets here. You have 1, 2, 3. You can actually control the lights, the headlights right here from the bed, so that's neat. This room is air conditioned. You can see the air conditioning unit here, and then you have a fan that is circulating here on the ceiling. We have our TV here. You got a decent amount of room. It is a pretty tight room, but it has everything you need. You know, I've been in smaller rooms, so you have some room here to, I don't know, break dance, whatever you want to do. We have a hanger here on the wall, and let's check out this pretty spacious bathroom. It's pretty huge. You can literally fit like 6 people if you wanted to in here. You have your shampoo and lotion, it says. Lotion, interesting. Shampoo, conditioner. I'm guessing this is probably soap, but labeled as lotion. Anyhow, we have our sink here, our mirror, blow dryer, has towels, extra toilet paper, and this has a legit toilet. Now, if you've ever traveled to the Philippines, you know what this means. A lot of times you'll get toilets that you have to hover over. You don't have a seat. So this is gold here. We got the booty cleaner right here. If you use that, I've never used the booty cleaner. I still don't understand how this is properly used. I mean, I understand what it's for. It's to clean your butt, but I can only imagine it gets everywhere anyways. We have our sink here, little soap dispenser. Let's check out this water pressure. Not bad. I have a habit of doing that wherever I go. Yes, ladies and gents, this is, again, a tour of a private room out here at the Outpost Hostel in El Nido. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please consider subscribing to the channel for everything and anything travel. Until the next one, guys, this is Cedric, and I'm out.